Welcome to Competence FBOHS 303. Practice food and beverage hygiene and safety. Today we're focusing on learning outcome 4. Maintain kitchen and restaurant hygiene. Let's explore the key topics we'll cover in this session. First, let's outline the topics. 1. Application of cleaning techniques for kitchen and restaurant surfaces. 2. Identify categories of pests. 3. Application of pest control methods. 4. Use pest control preventive measures. Let's delve into each topic in detail. Application of cleaning techniques for kitchen and restaurant surfaces. Maintaining cleanliness in kitchen and restaurant surfaces is paramount for ensuring food safety. This involves utilizing appropriate cleaning agents and tools to eliminate dirt, grease, and contaminants. Techniques like mopping, which involves using a damp mop to clean floors, and vacuuming, which removes dust and debris, are essential for maintaining hygiene. Additionally, washing surfaces with water and detergent removes stubborn stains and grease buildup. Employing these techniques on walls, floors, shelves, worktops, sinks, and other surfaces ensures a clean and hygienic environment, minimizing the risk of foodborne illnesses and ensuring customer satisfaction. Identify categories of pests. Pests such as rodents, cockroaches, ants, weevils, flies, lizards, and mosquitoes pose a significant threat to food safety and hygiene in kitchen and restaurant environments. These pests can contaminate food, spread diseases, and compromise cleanliness. Identifying these pests is crucial to implementing effective pest control measures. Rodents may gnaw through packaging, while cockroaches are carriers of pathogens. Ants and flies can infest food preparation areas rapidly, and weevils threaten stored grains. Although lizards and mosquitoes may not directly contaminate food, they contribute to an unsanitary environment. By recognizing these pests, kitchen and restaurant managers can initiate targeted pest control strategies to safeguard food safety. Application of pest control methods. A range of pest control methods are utilized to address pest infestations. These include electronic fly killers, aerosol sprays, fumigations, traps, insecticides, rodents, heat treatment, and fogging. Each method is tailored to target specific pests and is selected based on the severity of the infestation. Electronic fly killers and traps are effective for flying insects, while insecticides and fogging tackle a broader range of pests. Rodenticides control rodent populations, while heat treatment can eliminate bedbugs and other pests in infested areas. By deploying these methods strategically, pest infestations can be effectively managed, ensuring a hygienic environment in kitchens and restaurants. Use pest control preventive measures. Preventing pest infestations is essential for upholding kitchen and restaurant hygiene. This entails implementing preventive measures like cleaning well, sealing food before storage, and properly disposing of waste. Maintaining drainage systems, continuous monitoring, and periodic fumigation are crucial steps. These measures help mitigate the risk of pest infestations and ensure a hygienic food preparation and service environment. By consistently adhering to these preventive measures, kitchen and restaurant managers can safeguard against pests and maintain high cleanliness and food safety standards. In summary, we've covered the application of cleaning techniques for kitchen and restaurant surfaces, identification of categories of pests, application of pest control methods, and use of pest control preventive measures. Now, let's assess your understanding. Why is it essential to maintain cleanliness in kitchen and restaurant surfaces? Can you name 3 categories of pests commonly found in kitchen and restaurant environments? What are some preventive measures to control pest infestations in kitchen and restaurant settings? Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. See you next time.